You want one?
No, Ringo. A good vibe.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Release stress. Feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Release stress. Him feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Ringo could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street.
Tell them again. Tell them it tastes.
Him just love the street.
You can't get better than what it is.
Oh man. It's a whole...
Ringo feed.
Yes, everybody, big up yourself. Welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen, people. Yeah, today is our 6th week out feeding the community and helping the homeless people. Yeah, so today we're going to be making a lentil soup. So we've got lentils in our pot, people. Yeah, we've got all our fresh ingredients. We're out in the public. We're right here by the market. You can see the trams there in the background, people. Yeah, that is it. A good vibes. Big up yourself, people. Yeah, it's a lentil soup today. A good vibes.
A good vibes.
Alright everybody, so look, today we're going to be cooking a lentil soup, a good vibes. We've got callaloo, we're going to be using some pure coconut cream as well. Yeah man, today for the lentil soup. And we're going to be using some pumpkin mix as well, people, yeah. That is it. Big up yourself, we're outside, people, yeah. Lentil soup, I'm out here with friend, Sugar Pea, Stretch. A good vibes.
Man. What's this?
A good vibe.
6 weeks?
6 weeks.
Come on, man. Appreciate you. You're doing what you're doing for your community, for our people. So, good vibes always.
Alright, as you can see what's happening right now, the lentils are boiling up with prep carrot, red onion, scallion, garlic, thyme. You understand, people? So we're going to start seasoning up the pot, people, here by adding these ingredients into the pot, our good vibes, and then slowly we're going to start peeling the food and putting the food into our pot. A nice lentil pot today, people, yeah? That is it, our good vibes. Yes, everybody, so what's happening right now? So I'm going to start to peel the hard vegetables, the root vegetables, them now to go into the pot. Joseph's actually already peeled them for me. I'm just going to give them a little rinse off.
Wash it, yeah.
A little rinse off. And just put them into our pan, people.
No, we have to rinse off our vegetables.
Thank you very much, Joseph, because Joseph's here, teamwork with me today.
Having the right initiative.
Yeah, so this is the cassava that I'm putting.
A cassava you put in there?
Cassava, this is nothing.
Seen.
And I got the sweet potato them here. And we have some more cassava yassa again.
Jeez.
And just gonna rinse them off. You understand?
Rinse them off now?
Yeah, because they're coming out of hard skin anyway, yeah. But you just, so just give them a little rinse off, said way.
Yeah.
Put them into the pot. We got some red lentil into the pot today.
Thank you, Vince.
Yeah, red lentil. A good vibes.
A good vibes, Ringo.
Not a good vibes, friend.
Yes, he told me he's doing one.
Alright, everybody, yeah. So we've got the dasheen, we've got the corn, and we've got the rest of the root vegetables here. Big up Joseph, because Joseph peeled all of them for me. Yeah?
People, thank you for your supporting. Please follow Joseph's Veg, Surrey Street in TikTok, please.
Yes.
Support us. And support the Ringo Vision and Fen.
And Fen Diesel.
Fen Diesel.
And turn up 1,000.
1,000.
Extra the 10 show to the million. To the million people.
It's our mission to feed million people.
Yes.
Yeah.
Show them, Joseph.
Yeah.
That's it. 1 million people.
1 million people we're going to feed in this year.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now only a couple of thousands we did. We need to feed more people. We need your support.
That's it.
Are you there? Yeah.
Right, so Fen, what I'm doing here, I'm just putting the last of the root vegetables them into the pot, and we're just gonna make it just go and boil up, and then we're gonna add our coconut milk. We're gonna add our you see after we put the root vegetables them in, I'm gonna add the coconut milk into the coconut cream into the pot.
Jeez.
You understand? And get the creamy flavour that we're looking for. All the root vegetables is gone in now. A good vibes.
A
Big
good
up yourself.
vibes.
Everybody that's locked in right now. Alright. It's a lentil pot, people, yeah. That is it.
That is it.
That's sweet yam.
Yeah.
Sweet yam, yeah. Sweet yam, soaked yam, Jamaican sweet potato, dashin, cocoa, chocho, idos, a turnip, lovely Jamaican pumpkin.
That is it. So the food's cooking. Them lot are just over there watching the pot. Let me show you how I go on, people, yeah. Alright, so the pot's just bubbling up. A good vibes. Alright. So it's starting to do its own little thing now. So yeah, so what's happening now, yeah? This week is my 6th week out, giving back to the local community and the homeless. I done some research last night online to see what is the most populated area in London that's got homeless people and people living in rough conditions, and it came up as in Westminster, then Camden. So look out, everyone, yeah, we're gonna be in Westminster and we're gonna be going to Camden as well, everybody, yeah. So our good vibes. It says that Westminster has 2,050 homeless people. So let's see if we can feed every single one of them, everybody, yeah. Our good vibes and create a difference and rekindle some love back into that community. Our good vibes. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. So today we've cooked a pot of lentil soup. We've got all, come and have a look. So we've got all the right ingredients in there. So we've got corn, yam, eddos, sweet potato, garlic, thyme, scallion. We're just going to start serving it up now and start giving it back to the local community, and also lentil. And we're going to start giving it back to the local community. A good vibe.
Not only lentil, all kind of vegetables. Come on, madam. Thank you.
You want one?
Organic.
You want one?
I would love one, please. I asked the mom, do you want some? Oh my god, that sounds amazing. Looks amazing. I love organic.
Can I give you a spoon if you?
Oh my god, this is so
Can I
good.
give you some spoon?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow, my God, bless you.
You want to try some?
If you want.
Yes, thank you.
That's alright.
Thank you. Can I have the contact?
Does it smell nice?
Organic, man,
Of
organic.
course. Lovely.
Thank you.
All type friends, all type Ringo.
Okay, baby.
Tell them to keep tapping the screen. Tell them to keep tapping it up.
Yes, people, thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. So today we cooked a pot of lentil soup. We've got all the root vegetables in there, which is yam, cocoa, dasheen, sweet potato. We've also used corn as well. We've got garlic, ginger, scallion. We've also used coconut. We've topped it off with like some okra and a Scotch bonnet pepper, people, yeah. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start to find the local community and also the homeless and start giving them back some food. Our good vibes, people, yeah. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode today. Our good vibes. Big man, you alright? You want hard bread too?
A piece of hard bread. Want some bread with it? Make sure your fingers up. Yeah.
You want a slice of bread? No. Why?
No bread.
No bread.
Boss, you want the bread? You want bread? You sure, yeah?
You don't want food?
You want some soup? Free.
Yes, people, so we're out cooking for the community, cooking for the homeless.
Keep trying shit, I'm gonna box you in your teeth. Yeah, man, that Ringo, what it up, baby?
Firing! Hey, where's
Firing.
Come up, you know. He's on form right now. He's on top form right now.
Man, he's got the Charlie Sloth. What's that Charlie Sloth though? Still.
So forward back. Might as well come back now. It's up to you.
So what's happened, everyone? Yeah, look, the market is actually closed. Joseph's gone home. Everyone's gone home. I'm still here with the shopping trolley people, yeah. And guess what? We give out that set of food there, and we start on the next pot of food. You understand? And then we're gonna go up on the high street now and start giving out some more food, people. Yeah, it's been an absolute amazing day today out here in Croydon, giving back to the local community. This is week number 6, everybody. So we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, everybody. Yeah, we've done so far. Yeah, out in the community in Croydon, cooking, giving back to the homeless. Our good vibes. The target is to do 10 weeks, everybody. Yeah, so our good vibes so far. Big up yourself. We're gonna go on the high street and go and give back some food. So we still got some people here. That is it, people. Yeah, outside. Our good vibes.
Deja.
Cool. Let this tram go and we'll start moving.
Oh, you see that balance? Jeez! And balance that. Alright,
Yes, come forward, Rex.
For that goodness.
Hey man. If I was you, I would hate me too.
Trust me.
If you ain't here and you ain't tasting the...
Put that back on,
Man. My bro. What you say? Yeah, we live, man. We're live and kicking, man. You know what I'm saying? Tip-top, flip-flop. You know what I'm saying? Rick Rollins. Yeah. Shout you, innit? Hey, jump on me, innit?
Alright, so now we're in the process of pushing the trolley.
This is the movement. This is movement now.
Time now.
Movement time. Big man, how it tastes?
Wicked.
Wicked. Tell them again. Tell them it tastes boom, boom, boom.
You can't get better than what is in this cup.
Oh man, it's a whole lot of goodness.
Cup full of goodness.
Proper, yeah, full of goodness. Big man
A
said,
cup full of goodness. Hey yo, turn up.
Yo.
Man said it was a cup full of goodness.
Grace.
Hey, yes.
Gracious. You say pull it. Yeah, look it up.
Cool, we're about to start moving, man. See. Yeah, big man, go enjoy, man. Hey, spread the word. Let them know.
Alright, big man. Love you. Thank you for the wait.
Man, we say it's hard to be a cameraman, huh? Yeah, big man, bless.
Good night. Yo, we have to support this now, you know. Yo, please, we are three in the road. Still many. Yeah, man. Yo, we are three in the road now, you know.
Yes, everyone, so we're on the go now, taking the kitchen up on the high street and just go and complete the mission. That is it, people. That's why we come out today.
Right.
Come out.
Uh-huh.
Let's run.
Oh, man.
Ringo vision. Ringo vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go.
Big up Steve. Everyone keep tapping on the screen. Hashtag FYP.
Man, busy.
Thank you, Tasman. Everyone keep tapping the screen up. Let me just put the camera on you. Big man, look. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, come on, man. No, I pass out. They said I pass out between 11 and 12. And they woke me up about 5 o'clock.
No worries. Hopefully that keeps you like warm and that. For you as well, yeah? No worries, yeah? Listen, bread, man. Bread, come out. You know about the hard over there.
I won't have bread, thank you.
Aye.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's it. Hashtag FYP. Tap up the screen. Tap up.
I'll give us a bit more, love. Top it up.
Oh, top up. Yes, I like that.
Top up.
Only half a cup.
Give me a half a cup.
Half of a cup.
She want a full cup.
You know what I'm saying? Yes, Ringo. We say.
The whole one.
Yo, player. Watch me.
My apologies.
Lots of lumps, I'm hungry.
Lots of lumps.
Thank you, Cody.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, hey.
You're welcome.
Thank you, mate.
Yeah, let me see the big smile. Let me see that appreciation, the gratitude. Come on, hey.
Big man, is that alright for you, yeah?
Yes, everybody. So we're just here. We're on a mission. As you can see that in Croydon here.
Thanks, boys.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. There's a lot of people out here that are homeless, and we're just trying to give back to the local community and help those that are less fortunate people. Yeah, this lady, you can see that she's sleeping rough, but we had to give her some food, and hopefully at a later stage, very early, we can do a bit more for our community. We can bring out some clothes, some sleeping bags, and things like that. Are good vibes. Pick up yourself, everyone. We're outside.
The mission is still on. Yeah, and yes, I got some food for you. Look, it's raining right now. Temperatures change. Boss, you want some food? Have some food. All right. So we're out here for right now.
Where you from, nationality? Where you from?
From Jamaica.
Jamaica, yeah.
Congo.
Sierra Leone.
We're from the world. We're from the world.
We're God people, innit?
World people, world young. We are world young.
We're from the vortex.
World young.
Thank you, sweet sugar dumpling.
Oh, there you are.
I like that name.
Yes, respect.
Sweet sugar.
Only them two.
Lentils.
Black bin bags.
Black bin bags.
Yeah.
No, why? But there's a bin close by.
Not foreign
Oh, to cover yourself. Yeah, the best we can provide right now is just food, you feel me? Come on. Huh? Water?
Yeah, there's water. I got water. You want water?
Yeah, where's water here?
Hot and cold. Drink first.
No, you want some water in his soup. Put some in the cup. Or you want water to drink? Yeah, put some in the cup first.
You know when you provide food, you provide a certain intention.
Yeah.
You can give someone money.
You pick food or no?
I'm waiting.
Grab some food, yeah, get some food, player. Yeah. Good vibes.
I want a piece of bread, please, yeah? Yes. So much. Pour this in there while I work it.
Yeah, I got people, so we're still out here. Friends just serving up 2 people there. You understand our good vibes. So yeah, man, it's raining. Said way, but we're still out here on a mission, people. Yeah, good vibes. That is it. Can I just serve up some soup? So it's still on the mission, friend.
We're still on the mission, Ringo, man. The mission continues, bro. The marathon continues, bro.
Come on.
That's what I said. They're gonna get cold in this rain, man.
Imagine it.
Yeah. He definitely needs soup, man. He's lucky he passed there, boy. I'm not gonna lie to you, still. Cause look, bro. Soup's so nice. Just make sure that they're good. You get me? Yeah, this is the close up the pot now. You get me, Ringo?
A good vibes.
Ringo said, yeah, man, fence tend to control the pot now. Man, I'm on a pot all day, he needs a break, fam.
Thank you very much, everybody. We're still out here serving up. Yeah, go on, a good vibes. A good vibes. That is it. Watch your onions. Look at that pot of soup. Second pot of soup. Gone.
Gone, don't worry, gone. Second pot of soup, gone. A good vibe.
That's good vibe. That's it. It's okay, it's okay. It's hands. Yes, people, thank you very much. Today was an amazing episode. Empty shopping trolley, the pots and pans are in the pulley. Sugar.
If you drop this, you're gonna follow me to pull up.
Yeah. Let me put this. Let me pack this away in it. All right. Respect people. Just gonna pack away the shopping trolley. Our good vibes. Today we was feeding outside, feeding the homeless. That is it. We got to help people, yeah. One love.